I'm Dan Simmons, Managing Director of Quensus, and we're based at Strelly Hall in Nottingham. Our company does water management and leak detection solutions for construction sites and high-rise buildings. The main challenge for construction-type projects is the communication between stakeholders. So you've got the insurance company, the developer, consultants, contractors, all trying to have their input into what should be installed. And obviously there's procurement and budget constraints to go with that. So it's trying to get our key messages across to those people whilst keeping the project on track and on budget. But the main issue was linking it to our inventory management system and linking quotes to the projects. The reason that was important for us was projections. In the construction industry, you have massive lead times and sales cycles. We're talking 12 to 24 months. So having projections in place was important. Linking the value of the project was also difficult because we have multiple options. So having the ability to link the quote automatically in the CRM was important for producing those projections. So we were tearing our hair out with Excel spreadsheets and went on the market to find a more customizable solution. Using spreadsheets was okay if you have 5 or 10 products, but when you've got assemblies and products and quotes and pricing and different pricing depending on quantities and customers, and then translating that into a document that you could send customers that then could easily be translated into a sales order and then an invoice, probably took at least 1 day a week out of my time. There were many other offerings aside from Unleashed, and the main functionality of Unleashed included everything that we wanted. So it ticked the box for quoting, invoicing, purchase orders, grouping, stock control, delivery notes, tracking, bill of materials, customized pricing for quantity and customers, and linking in with Xero, our accounting software.
A very positive experience using the two softwares integrated because it streamlines the processes, especially the operations part of the business.
We are an IoT system provider, which means that every product we sell, every LeakNet that we sell has a serial number inside it. So we can track every single product, where it's gone to, the customer it's gone to. And so the inventory management software really needs to have that ability to track each product inside the code. So the serialization feature inside Unleashed has been one of the main aspects for us. Having the ability to integrate accounting, inventory management, CRM and sales process is pivotal to having a successful company.
Using the integrated system has benefited us in the way that we can check now the sales when they are completed, especially in B2C part of our processes. We are able to do that process in a very fast and effective way.
So Unleashed and Prospect are core for our day-to-day operations. The main impact on Quensus has been the time saving that manual processing of invoicing and quoting has saved. So I would probably estimate at least 1 day a week, which would be a 20% time saving.